Hey everyone, Krystina here with some new tech tips. Today's tip is all about speeding up your web browser. So tip number 1, clear your cache and cookies. Over time, your browser collects these small files that really slow it down. To clear them, go into your browser settings, click on the privacy and security tab, and then find the one that says clear browsing data and click on it. Tip number 2 is to disable any unused extensions. Extensions can be helpful, but having too many open really slow your computer down. So go through, see which ones you have, and remove any of the ones that you don't use. Tip number 3 is to close out any of your unused tabs. I think I need to work on this one myself because I have about 12 open right now, but having all those open really use up a lot of the computer's memory. So go through, see which ones you aren't using right now, book them as a bookmark for later so you can come back, but remove them so it speeds up your browser and frees up some of your computer's memory. If you do all these 3 tips, your web browser should speed up and go faster for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Bye!